2022 has been one of the biggest, fullest years so far. It was our 5th full year living on the road. It was our 1st full year living out of this new van. It's been good. I mean, I keep catching myself throughout this year, especially like on the second half of this year, asking, how is it still all this year? It blows my mind of what all has gone on since New Year's last year, and here we are again. There's so much ahead, and basically I just wanted to thank all of you for your support. And me and Sam, we love that you guys are interested in watching what we're up to, because I love sharing and I love documenting what we're up to and just kind of how we do our thing, which I think looks very different. I'm excited to share what's to come. I think we'll be staying mostly towards the coast, mostly in the Southwest. I do have a few jobs coming up a little bit in this winter, but definitely there are adventures ahead. There's places down here in this part of the world that I've never seen. I definitely come back to San Diego and the coast quite a bit, but there's still areas that I've been wanting to check out and I just haven't. And so that's something I'm going to be pursuing a lot more, is finally going to these spots and actually just wandering out more. Having all of the amenities of working and living on the road remotely and away from cities definitely has me really wanted to get more adventurous. It makes me want to go out on longer hikes, different trails. I want to get back into snowboarding, maybe some backpacking with Sam. I would love to go on a backpacking trip. There's just a lot that I've been thinking about. How can I push myself? One thing that I've really learned, especially most recently, but I guess it can be kind of a takeaway from the whole year, has been my detachment from being in a city. I used to love just like being in a city for a lot longer. Now I have discovered that that's not so much the case anymore. In fact, it's quite the opposite now. I really just enjoy this solitude out here, the peace and quiet. I love meeting up with other nomads. That's probably been one of my biggest highlight of this year, has been some of these get-togethers with other nomads, whether that's travelers or just people that work remotely or live on the road. Met a lot of cool people this year, and that's definitely something I would not have done without these 4 wheels and this desire to kind of venture into the unknown. I'm just looking forward to more connections and maybe some caravans in the future. I definitely want to expand this channel more. I know there's a lot of content that I haven't done yet, that it's been on my list for a long time. So 2023 is starting to look a lot like just stepping into all the stuff that's been in here and making it very much a reality. I'm very grateful to be sitting here with mountains around at every side of me and with my dog right here, my co-pilot, Sam. Oh, you didn't see that coming. Coming up, like I said, I think we'll be where it's warm, but I definitely want to go hit up some of the mountainous regions and places where, maybe some hot springs. Ooh, some hot springs would be fun. Just more of the unknown. So I definitely expect more adventures ahead, collaborations. I definitely want to put others onto this channel and tell their stories. So definitely some exciting stuff coming up right around the corner on this channel. The next video, all I'm going to say is, I was not in this country. We'll leave it at that. I'm definitely charging into this next year with a lot of goals to be met, a lot of things I want to improve on with my business and with myself. And I feel so like it's going to be a good year coming up. I mean, if 2022, that set the bar, but let's shatter that bar, man. Let's go far. I definitely see some water. I see some blue, clear water ahead. Tropical stuff coming up. So stay tuned. And I'm chasing adventure, I'm chasing opportunity, and I want to continue to show all of it. I can't wait to see what this next year brings. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it. I just really wanted to say, have a wonderful New Year's. Thanks so much for watching. Sam, come here. Ah! All right, guys, that's gonna do it from us. 70-pound dog on me. We will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.